Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to make crossbow in Minecraft. So all you need is some string, some tripwire hook, and iron and stick. So you can just place your crafting table and then right click, and then you can just place your sticks like this and then put your iron in here, and then the tripwire hook in here, and then lastly strings like this, and then here we go, we just got crossbow. So this is basically how to make crossbow in Minecraft. See you guys in the next tutorial.